Oh, it's the Shelton Chargers.
Over the years, the Shelton Parents Association has made a variety of in just the last 5 years, the state has raised more than $4 million to support our students, teachers, and programs. Shelton is strong because of you, our families, our community, and our Shelton spirit. Thank you to all the volunteers, staff, especially the horse and Rolando for this amazing halftime show. Here's to 50 years of learning without limits and the bright future still to come.
Oh, it's the shield. Oh, it's our shield.
For more than 2 decades, this powerhouse group has taken country music to new heights with their unmatched 4-part harmonies. They've earned multiple Grammy Awards, CMA and ACM Awards, and have delivered chart-topping hits that have become the soundtrack of our lives. Our annual gathering is sold out. And now, Shelton family, the wait is over. Drum roll, please. Audience, count with me. 3, 2, 1.
I thought you were agreeing to woman.
Go! Ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Little Big Town running at Shelton's 50th anniversary Stampede auction. The Shelton Stampede auction will be April 11th, and tickets are on sale now.
Well, it was, you know, softball. Well, when
You went the whole thing, or you went done?
it's